Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Crafty Author. My name is Anissa, and today I am going to be showing you what I have. Normally I do Sewing Talk Tuesday. However, yesterday was Tuesday and the power was out, so I really couldn't get a video uploaded. So I'm going to do it today, which is Wednesday, and I'm going to show you what I have here. So as you see, we have a different scenery as well. So I'm coming to you from my dining room just because I have this huge box of items that I want to share with you. And I've been too lazy to take it downstairs to the craft room. That's the only excuse I have. So as many of you know, I have an Etsy store. And I have put some quilts in there. I've put some baby bandana bibs in there. So if you're interested in that, the link to my store is down below in the description box. It is called Crafty Author Quilts if you just want to search for that. So, all right. So I was able to find tulle in bulk on the bolts. For very, very reasonable price. And I have shown you that I am going to be doing some baby tutus and also probably some little matching tops to go with it. But for right now, I'm just working on tutus. So I wanted to show you what I have. So this is a bolt of this really pretty blue and black tulle on the bolt. And I believe there is, I want to say 40 yards of tulle on these. This is like a pink leopard. This is a purple and black stripe. These are going to be so cute. I just think they're going to be adorable for a little girl. This doesn't come on the bolt, but it is, yeah, it is 54 by 54 inches and 40 yards of tulle. So here's black, because you can just never have too much black, right? I got it in purple. Now those I will have to probably wrap on a bolt myself. These just come in a package. There's baby blue, hot pink, a baby blue, baby blue. I have some yellow, red, and lavender. But that's not all. This is probably my favorite part. So I bought all the tulle for the tutus. So this should last me a while, and I should be able to make plenty of little tutus and get those up in the store. And I've already got a special order for one, so I need to get crack-a-lackin' on that. Excuse me while I bend down and pick some more stuff up here. I promise I'll get to something that you're really gonna love here in a minute. So, I got some more tulle. These are the 6-inch rolls of tulle. This is glitter tulle, which I think I love glitter, so it's going to be amazeballs. This one is in blue, and you do the tutus a little differently with these. So with these big bolts, you use it to sew. With these ones, you tie them onto elastic. It's gray, pink, some more aqua blue, regular blue. This one is so cute. It's got pink hearts, and they're like really soft felt hearts on there. And this is a red one. These would be cute for like a Valentine's Day. They're so adorable. And this I was really excited about because I like to use this along blanket binding when I'm sewing. Let me just pull all this out so I don't have to keep bending down. Okay. Wow, that was a lot of work. Rickrack. You guys, I was so excited. This baby blue rickrack and more baby blue rickrack. Can you tell I like baby blue? Orange and then pink. I got this from a place called toolshop.com, and it is heavily discounted. I think I paid, I want to say $1.99 for this. And there is, how many yards? Normally it'll tell me. This has to be, 25 yards on here for $1.99. You know, really not too bad, right? That's awesome. And I think some of these little tool things that I got were like 25 cents because they were on sale. 25 cents for a roll of this. And these little, the bolts of tool that I got were $5.99 for the bolt for 40 yards. That's cheaper than where I was getting it from here at a store, where it was like $1.59 a yard. So, and that's cheap, but this was just a steal. So I bought a bunch of stuff. Pink ribbon on the bolt for the tutus. This is 1.5 inches of the polka dot ribbon, 50 yards. Got this really cute blue one, same thing, 50 yards. Black and white polka dots. I love polka dots. And this is gross grain ribbon, by the way. And then I got the red. So I do need to buy some more ribbon, but I did want to test all of this out and see if I'm good at this or not. So before I did anything else, but that is what I have for this. On Friday, we are going to be finishing, not finishing, but we're going to talk about the Easy Baby quilt, and we are going to learn how to make our own binding for the baby quilt. I do have a video on that when I did the scrap quilt series that you can check that out, but I'm going to do show you how to make it from start to finish. And then we are going to start quilting that quilt probably next week. I did have a question from a viewer who asked me if I was going to continue doing Sewing Talk Tuesday. And the answer to that is yes, I will still do Sewing Talk Tuesday. However, with the holidays coming up, I have quite a few projects that I want to do. I'm going to be doing some crafty projects. I'll be doing some sewing projects. So if I have things like this where I have like a haul where I want to share that with you on Sewing Talk Tuesday, I will do that. I will do an episode of Sewing Talk. If you would like to follow me on social media, the links are down below in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like this video, it helps it to get seen more. And you can always share it on social media if you would like. You can always share any of my things. I don't mind that at all. And keep on crafting. And until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Have a great week. Bye-bye.